everybody and welcome back. I'm here to share with you my new kit for May. So this is called Forget Me Not and it's all in theme with celebrating the ME Awareness Month. Now, I personally do not suffer with ME, but I do know a few people that do. I got to meet one of my crafty friends last year in April, where she kind of discussed her condition, her life before, and how it impacts her now. And I really wanted to do something for May, but obviously when I saw her last year, it was too short notice to get a kit ready. So I made a note so I would have one ready for this year. So as I say, I do not have ME myself, so I'm absolutely not an expert. What I will do is below the video in the description, I will have a link to the website where you can find out a little bit more about the condition, because it affects people in many different ways. And to many varying degrees. So some people might just have some of the symptoms, but some will have a lot more and it will incapacitate them. So some people become housebound or sometimes even bedbound. So it is a very serious condition. So as I said, if you want to find out more about it, there will be a link in the description. On that website, they also give you a bit more information on how the month is kind of celebrated and how they campaign and do fundraisers and things to kind of spread that awareness. But there is actually a week that they dedicate for that in May, which is the 11th to the 17th this year. And then there's an actual day also dedicated, which falls on the 12th of May this year as well. So as I said, there will be a link down below if you are interested in finding out a little bit more about that. So I have created this kit, like I said, with that in mind. Now the Forget Me Nots and the colour blue are kind of linked with the ME Awareness Month, so that's the theme I've gone down. So if you love blue, this is absolutely the kit for you. I've really enjoyed creating this. It is 25 pages, so I'm going to share the kit with you now. So as always, there are a few journaling pages. Always there are plenty of spaces for you to write, and a variety of pages as well. So you've got lots of different backing pages. But as I said, the theme is blue with the Forget Me Not flowers. And then I have also added on a few pages some butterflies and birds as well. There is also a blank page background for backing either the journal pages or the ephemera, which we'll get to in a moment. But yeah, I did want to add some birds and some butterflies in there as well. But yes, I actually can't believe it's been a year since I have seen my friend. I didn't actually realise she lived so close to me. Those of you that have been following me a while, I've moved to the Midlands. I used to live in the southeast of England, and then I moved to the Midlands. And yes, my friend is only around 50 minutes away from me now. So I did go and have the opportunity to go and visit her last year. And yeah, I got a bit of an insight into, you know, how ME actually affects people. And it, like I said, I really wanted to do a kit when she told me that there was a month kind of dedicated to the awareness of it in May. I knew last year it was just too short notice to get something out, but I definitely wanted to get something out this year. So we've now got some collage pages. And again, on the collage pages, there are spots where you can also do some little bits of journaling as well. And I think this is the last one. And then we move into the ephemera. So you've got a variety of different tags, again, using lots of the patterns and themes that we've already seen on the journaling pages. We've also got some pockets for those tags as well, and then I created this little cutie and a couple of tags that will fit in that pocket as well. We've then got an envelope. We've then got a kind of specimen card style holder where you can obviously cut the window out put something behind there, some acetate, and then you've got these pockets which also kind of fit on here as well. You've got some labels. Then we've got this envelope where this folds up to make a pocket. So obviously if you have something printed on the reverse, then obviously it doesn't matter if you kind of create that fold, you'll see something on both sides. And then we've got a big key down at the bottom. Then we've got some fussy cuts and some postcards. And we have, it could be a huge journaling card, or you can stick this to the page and it's a kind of side pocket. You've then got this frame, which is also a pocket. So again, you can put some acetate behind here. You can either layer this on here, or have this frame on the back if you don't perhaps want to cover up the pattern you've got here. You've got a smaller pocket as well, which could potentially either go on the front of the frame or can go on the bottom here, or like I said, again, on the reverse. And you've got a tab as well. So like I said, you can either attach that to your page, or that can be a free floating project all on its own. We've got 3 large tags, and they are staggered in size. You can either layer them up or just again have them separate. Then we've got 2 small envelopes and some little postcards that will fit inside them, and then another tag, but this time with a different kind of shape at the top. And I think I've designed it. Yeah, I think I've designed it so that this fits in this pocket. So yeah, I think that will work with that one. And last but not least, we have another envelope, different coin style envelope, and then we've got some washi strips along the side. So that's the whole kit. As I said, there are 25 pages. This will be in my Etsy shop and my KoFi shop, and as always there is 20% off for the month of its release. So throughout May there will be 20% off, no code needed for either. You will however for KoFi have to use the specific link to get that 20% off, which obviously will be down below. If you just go to my KoFi site, browse the shop and then select the kit, that unfortunately doesn't give you the 20% off. You need the specific link for it. But yeah, so there'll be 20% off. There will also be freebies and challenges throughout the month as well. So I'll release those on the weekends. So each weekend there'll be a new set of freebies, a new challenge. And again, you can find those freebies in my KoFi shop, or they'll be in the Non-Stop Papercrafts Facebook group. So that's it from me really. I just wanted to share with you my new kit and the theme behind and why I kind of came up with this. I really hope that you love the kit, and go and check out the links so you can find out a little bit more about the ME Awareness Month and the different fundraising that they are doing on the site. I would really appreciate a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and make sure that you click that bell button. That way you will be notified of any new crafty videos, so you'll be notified when I release the freebie videos and the challenges and things like that. Well, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.